life is a complete disaster. I sneezed on a baby recently. Yeah, that's a thing I did. I was holding a baby, and I had to sneeze, and I just hard sneezed into its face. So hard. You know? And my friend is standing there, and he's like, hey, man, real quick, did you just sneeze in my son's face? And I was like, yeah, I did that. Yep. And he was like, why? And I was like, well, I have the baby, and I was like, I gotta sneeze, so I could drop the baby or I could sneeze on this baby right now. You know, those are my two options. And he was like, why? You could turn your head and sneeze the other way. And I was like, that third option was not apparent at the time, you know? It just didn't occur to me in the moment.